Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about valid autocorrelation function example. And this is the previous examination question. The example is check whether the following function is valid autocorrelation function. The given function is 2 sine of pi tau. Coming to the solution, given that the autocorrelation function is Rxx of tau is equal to sine of pi tau. So using properties of autocorrelation function, verify, check it, the given function is autocorrelation function or not. So we know that one of the property of the autocorrelation function, the autocorrelation function is an even function of tau. That is, Rxx of minus tau is equal to Rxx of tau. If that condition is satisfied, hence the given random process is a valid autocorrelation function, otherwise not a valid autocorrelation function. And this is a given autocorrelation function. In this given autocorrelation function, tau is replaced by minus tau. We get Rxx of minus tau. So substitute tau is equal to minus tau. Rxx of minus tau is equal to sine of minus pi tau. So we know that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So using the standard expression, sine of minus pi tau is minus sine pi tau. So which is equal to minus 2 sine of pi tau. And 2 sine pi tau is Rxx of tau. So now here Rxx of minus tau is not equal to Rxx of tau. So now here the autocorrelation function of the even function of the random process condition is not satisfied. Hence the given random process, the given autocorrelation function is not a valid autocorrelation function. This is the procedure. We can check it. The given function is autocorrelation function or not.